Okay, so here they want us to write 2x cubed plus 10x squared plus 12x in factored form. So you might say, well, we just went from factored form to standard form. Why do we have to go from standard to factored form? More than likely, you're not going to be given a problem in factored form. It would be awesome if we would, because the stuff we're going to do this lesson, it would help us tremendously. But you're going to be given a polynomial, and you're going to have to factor it. Some of you might be saying, oh my gosh, I don't want to factor that. That has a cube. We've never factored a cube. And you're right, we haven't. But if you look, remember the first thing I taught you about with factoring is you always have to take out your greatest common factor. So if you look here at these three terms, you have a greatest common factor of x. Actually, of 2x. Because every single one of our coefficients is divisible by 2. And every single term here has at least one x in it. This has one x, so that's why we can only take one out. So we're going to take out the greatest common factor of 2x. And then we'll have x squared, because x cubed minus x, or x cubed divided by x. You subtract your exponent, so that gives you your x squared, because it's x cubed, 3 minus 1. Okay, so then 10x squared divided by 2x is 5x, and 12x divided by 2x is 6. So now you might say, oh my gosh, factoring again? Yes, factoring again. And we're going to be doing factoring all year long, because that's one of the most important things you learn in Algebra 2 that you will need to use for future years. So let's factor this expression. Okay, so we have x squared, so it's going to be x times x. My signs are both positive, so these are both going to be positive. And one of my factors is 6 that I can plug in and add to 5, and it's 3 and 2. So there this is in factored form. Let's look at the next example, example 4. And that says, write 6x cubed minus 15x squared minus 36x in factored form. You're probably saying, man, Mrs. McGuire, you're killing me. I have another x cubed. You're right, you do. But again, you have another greatest common factor of at least x. But it's not just x. It looks like it's actually 3x, because every single one of our coefficients here is divisible by 3. Now, yes, these both have a negative, but since our leading coefficient doesn't, we don't need to factor out a negative. So we're just going to factor out a 3x, and then here we'll have 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. So then again, this is just a carrier. Your greatest common factor just carries down, and once again, it's just a matter of, okay, let's factor this. I know it's going to be 2x and x. One of your signs is going to be a plus and one's going to be minus. Since C is minus, your signs need to be different. I'm going to let you figure out what factors of 12 needs to go in here and what the signs are. And again, I will check that tomorrow when I grade your notes.